Jain student, today we are going to discuss the topic central bank in the chapter money and banking. First, what do you mean by the central bank? In every country, there is a one apex institution which act as the leader of a money market. It supervise, regulate, control the activities of commercial bank and other financial institutions. Such institutions called the central bank of the country. The central bank so called because it occupy the central or highest position in the monetary and banking structure of a country. In India, Reserve Bank of India, that is RBI, is the central bank of a country. According to the definitions, a lender of the last resort is the initial functions of central bank. Means a central bank is an institution which is charged with the responsibility of managing and expansion and constructions of the volume of money in the interest of the general public welfare. We can say that a central bank is the apex institution which operate and control and direct and regulate the monetary and banking structure of a country. Now, what is the difference between the central bank and the commercial bank? The central bank is the apex body that control, operate, regulate, direct the entire banking and monetary structure of the country, whereas commercial bank is an institution which perform the function of accepting deposit, granting loan, making investment with objective of earning profit. And the status, it is a apex institutions and merely commerce, whereas commercial bank it is a merely a unit of the banking structure. On the basis of ownership, central bank is owned, governed by the government, and whereas commercial bank owned and governed by the government or the private sector. The on the basis of motive, it operate in the public interest without profit motive, whereas commercial bank aim to maximize profit. And on the basis of public dealing, it does not deal directly with the public, whereas commercial bank deal with directly with the public. And the basis of number of bank, there is only one central bank in country, for example RBI India, and whereas commercial bank there is number of commercial bank in a country. So, what is the functions of central bank? The first functions of central bank of issue. It is a primary and most important functions of central bank. Nowadays, bank in every country have been given sole right to issue the currency note except 1 rupees that are issued by the Ministry of Finance. Next, banker, agent and advisor to the government. As a banker to the government, the central bank may receive payment on the behalf of the government. It helps government with the short loan and advance in the time difficulties, etc. Next, custodian of the cash reserve of a commercial bank. All commercial will keep part of their cash balance as a deposit with the central bank of the country. Custodian of national reserve of international currency. The central bank is a custodian of country stock of the gold in international country. All the receipt payment in the foreign are made by the central bank. Lender of the last resort, a commercial bank led to the individual, a central bank lent to the commercial bank in the time of an anticipated emergency. And next, bank of the central clearance. As a central bank keep the cash balance of commercial bank, it is easier for member bank to adjust their claim against each other in the book of the central bank. Next, control of money supply and credit. Controlling of money supply and credit in the most important function of the central bank. Through this function, the central bank attempt the influence control the value of bank credit economic activity in the country. So central bank can control influence differences situation. Thank you.